Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll do the part 5. So in that we'll see exercise 16.3. Construct triangle PQR such that PQ is 7.5 centimeter, QR is 6 centimeter and angle Q is 55 degree. So this is the rough sketch. So we'll take this one PQ at 7.5. So now here this angle Q is given as 55. So whenever we have to construct directly, we can do this one with the help of the protector, because if we are constructing it, so this is 90 degree, so the first arc, this is 60 and this is 120, so we cannot do this 55 with the help of this construction. So we'll take the protector and we'll keep it over here, and directly we'll see 55 degree and we'll draw this line. After that, what will this is given QR is 6 centimeter. So this triangle is PQ and here should be R. So you will place your compass over here, take 6 centimeter and you will draw one arc over here so that this line gets cut. So now what you can do here, you can write here this R and then you will join here PR. So now let us see the steps of construction. So this is the construction. These are not the actual measurements. You can take the exact measurement and draw it. So here this is PQ, that is 7.5. Then this angle Q, that is 55 degree. So with the help of this protector, as I said, because we cannot construct 55 degree, so you will do it directly with the help of the protector. Take your 55 degree and then draw this one, this mark it over here. And then you will place your compass, because here this QR is given as 6 centimeters. So you will take 6 centimeter on the compass and you will place your compass over here and you will draw one arc. So this will be R. So this is 6 centimeter. So you will join this PR. So this is all the steps. Same thing is given. You can write it in your own words. So you can go to this steps. So construct triangle LMN in which LM is 6 centimeter, MN is 8 centimeter and angle M is 90 degree. And you have to measure angle N. Also draw the perpendicular bisector of LN. So this is the rough sketch. So we'll start with LM, that is 6 centimeter, and this M is given as 90 degrees. So you will construct 90 degree from here. So here you're not going to do directly. I'll show you how to do it. But this right now I'm just showing you a rough sketch. Here should be 90 degree because here is M. So now MN is given as 8 centimeter. So you will take from MN, you will take on the compass 8 centimeter and you are going to cut this line. So this is 8 centimeter. And then you are going to join this LN, and later on you are going to measure this angle N with the help of the protector, and you have to draw the perpendicular bisector of LN. So I'll show you how to do that. This is the perpendicular bisector of LN. These are the steps of construction. So now we will see here, draw LM is 6 centimeter. So we are going to draw this LM as 6 centimeter. Construct 90 degree from M. So constructing 90 degree from M means you are going to take, you will draw an arc over here taking the suitable radius. Then you will divide it into 2 parts. So you will keep your compass over here and you will draw one arc over here. Then you will place a compass over here and you will draw another arc here and you are going to join this one. So this is 90 degree. Later on, what are you going to do? You will take 8 centimeter because here it's given that MN is 8 centimeter. So you will take 8 centimeter on the compass and you will, from keeping the compass over here, you are going to cut this one. So this now, this is N. So this is 8 centimeter. And then later on, you are going to join this LN. And you are going to measure, they have asked the angle N. So you are going to measure this angle with your protector, what will be this angle. So measure angle N. Then by taking radius greater than half the length of ln. So now you see here, this is ln. There will be some, you can measure this distance and you can take the, on your compass, you will take more than half. You will keep a compass over here, take more than half and draw an arc over here and here. Again, the same distance, whatever you are taken, you will draw an arc over here and here. So now these are the point of intersection, and then you are going to draw a line. By taking radius greater than half the length of ln, draw arcs above and below ln and repeat same keeping compass at L. And then draw a line. So this line is the perpendicular bisector of ln. So this is the perpendicular bisector. Construct angle ABC in which BC is 4.5 centimeter. Angle B is 120 degree, AB is 5 centimeter. And through A, you have to draw a line parallel to BC. So now we have taken this BC as 4.5, it's given here. So now you have to construct this 120. So later on I will show you how to do this. So this is 120. Then with the compass we will take 5 centimeter, you will cut this one. And later on join AC, and this is the perpendicular, this is the parallel line to A, draw a parallel line to BC. So this is BC, this is a parallel line to BC. So I'll show the steps here, how to do it. So these are not the actual measurement. You can do it with the taking the proper scale. So BC is 4.5 centimeter. From here now what are you going to do? You will first thing, you are not going to take directly with the protector 120 degree, but you are going to draw a perpendicular line over here. So now you will take a suitable radius here, keeping your compass over here. The same distance whatever you are taking from here, you are going to cut it into two parts. So these are the two parts. So whenever see here, this is 90 degree. This is inside angle means this will be 60. And this is the outside angle means this is going to be 120. So already 120 is here. This is the second arc which is cut. So this will be 120. So you are going to extend this one. So see here, I have done this with a different color. This is 120. So later on now what are you going to do? You will take now, AB is given as 5 centimeter. So you will take 5 centimeter on the compass and you are going to, you'll keep your compass over here and you are going to cut this one. So this is 5 centimeter from here and you are going to joint one and joint AC. Now we will see for this parallel line how to do it. Now see here, from B construct 120 and this is done, joint AC. From B, draw an arc that cuts both BC and BA. From B, you are going to cut, now see here, BC and BA. So from here you will draw a suitable, by taking a suitable radius, you will draw this arc. So now what will you do? These are the 2 points which this is cutting, this point is cutting BC and this point is cutting AB. From this one, the same distance whatever we are taken for this arc, you will take from this one, you will take for this arc. Later on, you will measure this distance and then you are going to, from here, you will cut over here. So now you are going to join this line. So this is a parallel line. So see, measure the arc distance between the intersection point and BC and transfer this distance to the arc at A and draw a ray from A to this point, and this line is parallel to BC. See here, again I'll repeat, from here, you will, whatever the distance from here to here, the distance should be from here to here. Here it might look different because this is not the actual measurement, but you can take the actual measurement and it's going to be this is going to be a parallel line after cutting that one, taking actual distance from here to here. You will take the actual distance from here to here and then cut it. So this is the parallel line. Construct an isosceles triangle in which the length of each of its equal sides is 5.5 centimeter and the angle between them is 120, and you have to draw the bisector of the obtuse angle so form. So now this is taken as 5.5 QR, then this is 120, angle is 120, this side is 5.5 and this is the angle bisector 120 is divided into 2, that is the bisector. So these are the steps of construction. So now what you will do, you will take 5.5 one side. So here I measure it, named as this one as PQR. So this you will take as 5.5 centimeter. So we want 120. The angle is given as 120. So what are you going to do? You are going to bisect first this angle. So here you will take suitable here radius, and the same thing, the same measurement, you are going to cut it into two. So this is 90 degree, this is 60 degree, and this is 120 degree. So the next point here, whatever is 60 degree, you get it, you are going to draw one straight line over here. So then later on, what are you going to do? This is 5.5 means obtuse angle means this side also should be 5.5. So you will take on the compass, you will take 5.5, and then you are going to draw one arc over here. So later on, you will join from here to here. So this is PR. And now we are going to see the angle bisector. This is 120. So we are going to bisect this angle. So for bisecting this angle, what are we going to do? Now see here. From Q taken this one. So joint PR to bisect, place compass on Q, draw an arc. So here you have to, you are going to draw one arc over here. So taking this point, after drawing this arc, these are the 2 points. So from here you will take suitable distance and draw this arc. From here you will take the suitable distance and draw this arc. Hope this is clear. After drawing this 2 arc, you are going to take suitable distance, draw this arc. From here you will take suitable distance and draw this arc. So now this is the point of intersection. So here you are going to draw one line. So this will be exactly, this is 120. So this should be 60. This side should be 60 and this side should be 60. So this is the angle bisector. So you can write this steps of construction in your own words. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Thank you.